So you're big on sedation dentistry in the practice. Like what procedures do you use sedation?
We do sedation. Anybody that's scared of going to the dentist, which is most of the people out there, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But most people are. And we'll do a lot with, we're doing maybe 10 appointments worth of dentistry in one day. We'll go in, and people that don't have time to come back to the dentist. Most people get sick of going to the dentist. I understand.
Like a busy person or a mother of 4. They don't have time to go 4 times back and forth.
Exactly. So we'll do sedation, and we might do multiple appointments in one appointment, and they're there for 3-4 hours and don't remember anything. I mean, they come in, give them a pill, 2 pills, and they're pretty well snooze through their whole appointment.
Okay.
And most of the time the next day they kind of remember walking in. That's about all they remember.
Now, is this true that some people are so phobic that you got to even prescribe a pill for the night before so they could sleep?
Occasionally we do
Is
to
that
help
right?
them relax prior to, and then the day of we give them the pills that really kind of knock them out and let them go through the procedure.
So no more excuses these days to get dentistry done.
Sedation dentistry has totally changed the way dentistry's done. It kind of gets those patients that have been so fearful, haven't gone for so many years, now can come to the dentist.